DeepLiveCam is back. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install DeepLiveCam with OpenVINO support and get better performance from your CPU. Before we jump into the installation, let's take a quick look at the performance difference. On the left side, we have DeepLiveCam running with OpenVINO, while on the right side, we're using the standard CPU setup. As you can see, there is a noticeable difference in FPS and overall smoothness. With OpenVINO, we can take advantage of CPU acceleration to improve the performance of DeepLiveCam without needing a dedicated NVIDIA GPU. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to install everything from scratch, configure OpenVINO correctly, and set up DeepLiveCam so you can get the best possible FPS from your system. I'll also show you the important settings you need to change and how to check whether OpenVINO is actually being used. So if you're running DeepLiveCam on a CPU and want to squeeze out more performance and smoother real-time face swapping, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started and install DeepLiveCam with OpenVINO support. Click the GitHub link in my description to visit main page of DeepLiveCam. You can read its documentation and everything you need to know about DeepLiveCam from here. This installation is for CPU users with UHD Intel graphics. If you already got graphic card, this won't work for you. FPS will be slow. To install, you need Python 3.10.11 ffmpeg, VisualStudio, Git for Windows. I have made a playlist you can watch and install these dependencies. Once you're ready, on main page, click on Code option and copy Git code. Now go to folder or drive you want to have this installed in and type cmd in folder path. A new command prompt window will open. Type git clone and paste code you copied to clone DeepLiveCam in this folder. Type cd space and go to clone folder, copy its path, and paste in command window. Now create venv using Python 3.10. Activate venv with activation code. Now install Torch Vision and Torch Audio. Once Torch installed, go to main folder, open requirements file. Remove all the ends runtimes from list and save requirements file. Now run requirements code in command window to install requirements. After requirements installed, go to main page of OpenVINO and copy its code, then paste in command window to install OpenVINO. You can also check if OpenVINO installed by copy and paste this in command window. Right way to check is first type Python and hit enter, then paste code you copied. To exit, press Ctrl+Z. Now install ONX Runtime OpenVINO. Once ONX Runtime OpenVINO installed, go to main folder, open models folder. There is instructions file, open it. Copy and paste both links in any browser to download these two models. After both downloaded, put them in models folder. Now run main code. This will launch DeepLiveCam. To avoid running codes again in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now just double-click Run File and use DeepLiveCam anytime. To use, first upload a face picture. At bottom from list of cams, choose your real cam and click Live. About slow FPS cause I am running this on computer with graphic card. To call, run OBS Studio. In OBS Studio, choose Windows Capture. Choose Python Preview. Adjust Preview and click Start Virtual Cam. Now call like on Instagram using OBS Virtual Cam as your main cam. And that's it for this tutorial. As you can see, we've successfully installed and configured DeepLiveCam with OpenVINO support, and the performance difference compared to the standard CPU setup can be pretty significant. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.